Hey everybody, welcome to the daily recap for October 17th, 2022. Today, a little bit of a boring day. Market did push back above the downtrend as well as the EMA support did reclaim those levels on the daily, which it needed to hold above pretty much all day for confirmation, and it did. So that's great. We'll see how we open tomorrow. One thing about that is the QQQs are still not above the EMA support or the downtrend, so keep a close eye and watch on that, as well as the semiconductors. But IWM and the SPY are above right now, so that's somewhat constructive for the market. What did we do today? So we came into the day, we did some SPX spreads, or we did one this morning, 37.10, 37.20, 1,766% on that. So that was great. Other than that, the market was kind of slow all day. We did trade some SPX calls here and there. Probably about like a 70% win rate on the SPX today, so not bad. The things that didn't work, we kind of just took off. Things that did work, we're kind of just scalping, moving stops to the upside. Some other options trades that we did today, we did some W. Out the gate, we did the 35 calls, 122% on those. MRK, 95 calls, 100% on that. At the end of the day, it popped for that, which is great. Netflix, we were long the 250 calls. There were $7.35 contract, which went 96%. So really expensive contract that worked out nicely for us, so I'm happy with that one. Snow, 170 calls, 86%. Veru, 12.5 calls, 60%. And then we had a couple things that failed, like Beyond. That one didn't work, unfortunately, and as well Sava, and like I said, we had about two SPX trades that didn't work today, and then we did try some Meta 140 calls. This ended up being pretty much a flat trade, but obviously I'm going to count it as didn't work. We had Coin the 70 calls, which worked out nicely, about 50% on that and change, and I believe that's it. Yeah, we had mRNA for about 12% on the roll, which was a roll, so not much. But yeah, that's about it on the option side. Equity side, pretty decent. We did some Tesla at the gate, 8 points. Oh, we had Tesla roll. We had the 230s we rolled into, which for about 60% on those, which was great. We had Netflix long. We took this intraday as well on the equity side when it did create this flag pattern, and we got about 5 points on that to the upside, so that was a nice little trade there. mRNA long 3 points, had some nice relative strength out the gate. Keep it on that one tomorrow. TTD long for 1 point, top long. We tried this long out the gate, it failed, and then we got it long again off the lows, and we got about a point change on that, so that was fine. ILAG basically waited till the halt stopped to the downside, grabbed it long 280s, and then we got a nice little bounce at 256, got stopped out, the rest in the money at $3. We did do some TTD for 1 point. I'm not sure if I brought that up. I think I may have said that already. We tried some BNTX. We got out of that one flat at the end of the day. Didn't really do anything. And NVAX, we lost about 20 cents on this equity trade to the upside. So all in all, a little bit of a slower day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I think it's going to be a little bit more busy. We're going to have a little bit more range. Market should give us some decent direction going forward, I think. And what I'm thinking is obviously last day's high on Friday will be a resistance point, and then we got some nice room to 370, 256 if we get a push. If we get a pullback, watch the EMA support retest, and if that breaks, we're going to go probably back to this inverted head and shoulders 361 area on the daily. So we'll see. Market's going to do what it does overnight, and we'll just kind of trade off of what we see from a technical standpoint the next day. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to come join us this week, you can certainly do so. Sign up at SpartanTrading.com. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out on Twitter or through email, Spartan@SpartanTrading.com, or you just go to the website. There's a contact us page there, which you can send us an email as well. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.